Hi, hello, and welcome to AutopostingTools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the store reseller markup module works. So basically, whenever you purchase the software, you get all these modules. It should have around 115 modules. The one that we're going to be watching today is in the e-commerce modules. It's called Store Reseller Markup Increaser. So the idea of this is to find a product that we're going to sell a little bit more expensive. So for example, let's just go to this one Elo with popular products. So what we do is, let's say we find this one. This is a popular product. It's $10, $9.99. So you select that. So this is $9.99. Okay. So we come back to the software. These are just places where we can find products. You could find it somewhere else. It just helps us find some products faster. Also, you could use the Dropshipping product searcher, which there is a module about that, which you could see in the Auto Posting Tools page. So we go to the insert product, and here we are going to copy this, which is the name of the product. You could rename it and just call it lenses, or whatever name you want, and you put it there. Then it asks you for the product URL, the original one. So we copy this. We put the original, so whenever we sell this product, we're going to purchase it again, and we're going to send it to the person that buy the product for us. So the product price that we have here is $9.99. So I'm just going to put here $9.99. So this tells us that our new this is our markup. I'm selling it two times, and a half more expensive than the original price, and it tells us that the new price should be $24.99. And for this, you will get $7 worth of ads. So you could run ads on Facebook, and basically you could spend $7 for that, and you will be making a profit of $7. So for every glass, every lens that you sell, you're making $7. So if you're selling 10 glasses and you're making $7 on each one, then you're making $70 per that specific campaign. And basically, you don't even have to purchase the product until somebody buy it from you. So that's a win-win. So if somebody buy, you purchase the product, you ship it to the client, and then basically they will pay you before you order it, and then you order it and you ship it to the client. So here, this one, whenever you have your store, you're going to grab the picture, you're going to grab the description, and you're going to create a nice page where you're going to be selling this. And then you will have something like new deals.com/glasses today, or whatever name you want to give to the product. So this is the URL. You could put it as http://. This is going to point to your store where people can actually purchase this product. So we copy this, we're going to paste it here, and then we're going to create a tiny URL. We're going to have this tiny URL, we're going to copy, and we're going to paste it on this short link. So this is our short link. So instead of whenever we make some ads or whenever we run a campaign, instead of putting our URL, we put this. So we could put different kind of URLs. Now, here I could create an ad, something like this. Amazing glasses, grab them now, and then you just put the URL. Obviously, you have to be more ingenious than this. This is just an example, and basically we are going to put it there. Special offer ends today, $24.99. Get it while you can. Obviously, your ad should be better than this, and basically you add this to the inventory So here is our inventory, and basically you could have some different pricing here. So let's say this is $5. So you'll be selling at 12, and you will have $3 for ads, $3 for profit. You add it to the inventory, and then you have some more inventory. Now, if you want to do a product completely different, you clear the data, you start over, and you keep adding more information. This you can save it onto Excel. You just select the folder, type in the name, and click Save. This will get saved onto Excel. Or you can select this, do Control C, open an Excel document, and paste it inside there. Basically, this is what you need for somebody else to be doing this work for you. So this would be the original product. Whenever somebody purchases it, you purchase from here, you send it to the client. This would be your URL, this would be the shortened URL, and this would be your ad. So you could run some Facebook ads for these products. So basically, you are sending a lot of people through Facebook to your own store. They will purchase your product with this with this new price that you put in. They will pay you $24, $25 or whatever price you set up, and then basically from that you're going to take your the $24. You're going to pay the $10 and purchase the product, send it to them, and you will use the money left from that, which will be around $15, and you will use half of that for the ads, and you will keep half of that, and this is going to be your money. So depending on how many you sell is how much money you will make, but you could make a lot of purchases, a lot of sales, because you are running a lot of ads to these products. So the idea is to find products that are cheap and that people want, and on these pages, on these products, you could find very good products that match that description. So this is going to generate you an inventory, and you could give this to your virtual assistant to take care of these for you, and then you just run it on autopilot, and you will be making money doing almost nothing, because your virtual assistants will be doing everything for you, and you will just pay them from the work that they do from this. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.